Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today, man, I've been waiting for this the whole day. We are going to react to the music video of Sonara to their song Tabi, man. Right now it's 7 p.m. Most probably I'm gonna upload this maybe like an hour or two. You know, I don't want to upload the reaction right after they upload the actual music video, but I am really excited with this, man. I am really excited with this. Without no further ado, man, a fucking awesome song. Let's get it. 1Z, let's go. Yep, another one of that weird feeling, no, na we're going to watch a music video with this intro, but it's not SB19. No, it's not SB19 anymore, you know? Yung mga pagbabago talaga. What? Is that an iPod? I'm sorry, the quality of the 480, what do you mean? Let's do, yeah, there we go. I'm sorry, Queens. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna rewind it. Okay, yeah, right. Sorry about that. What is that? Hey. Hey. Ah, nice. Ang ganda nung parang merong HD shot, no? Na pang music video talaga. Merong parang found footage type of shot sa paligid na parang ano siya, POV siya ng other people. Asan sila? Anong school ba to? Hindi ko makita eh. Hey. Hey. Oh man, the face card of this girl is fucking insane. Oh man, the face card of this girl. What the fuck? Ngayon ko lang siya natitigan, no? Damn. Sorry. Ay, arriba. Hey. Wait. Ang dating ng music video nila is parang parang they are like what do we call this, like parang mga teenagers that, you know, making their own statement like in the street, you know, para ipakita kung sino talaga sila, you know, parang ganun yung feel, no, ng music video. Like earlier parang silang sa campus, same pa naman dito, na parang silang sa campus or something like that, you know, doing what they love, showing it to people, na parang ganun yung feel, no? This part. Tapos parang may mga posters sa tabi, di ba? Na parang, hey, andito na kami, no? Parang kinakampanya namin yung sarili namin na, andito na kayo, parating na kami, no? Here we go. That's why we're doing this, you know, in front of like a campus or something, or this parang eskinita, no? Hey. Hey. Oh, that's a great shot, man. That's a great edit. Hey.
Mausapan man isang buhusan lang yan sa ito pagsugalan hindi ko susukuan di kailanman mawawalan tibok kang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman.
Nice. Stable, no? Stable flow. Like, you know, well, kung first was lang papainggan, like, you're playing with, ano, you know, yung, parang yung roller coaster of, like, emotion, and then yung feel, like, after ni Tain, tsaka ni Yuri ka like, fucking, almost like a cypher type na music video or shot doon, no? Tapos biglang we have this, like, you know, bubbly, like, you know, cotton candy type music video, no? Na parang, ooh, parang girl na girl, you know? Well, kanina lang, we have this, like, fucking shot, no? Like, look at this, like, underground, cypher, type shit. Tech deck? Wow. So, bilang gantong shot, no? Look at them. Playing with my emotions. Come through. Really love this part, you know. I really love this part na yung nag-change lang change na yung tone. Of course, they usually do this sa songs, especially pag pang for example, like the last bridge ng, you know, the last part ng song, usually ginagawa talaga yon. But I really love kung paano niya ginawa yun, you know, parang from like a minor tone to a major, like na parang naging lighter, naging happier yung kanta towards the end of the song. Hey. Oh. This is Nami, right? There's a lot of reference in here, like an old like cell phones, you know, video cam, like, you know, like an old found footage type. As we have this, you know, like MP4 na parang sa Windows 7, no? Hey, angas eh, no? Oh shit, ang laso ka, no? Step up 2, what the fuck? Exactly, okay, yeah, exactly. That's the like, kung sino nakapanood ng Step Up 2, di ba? Meron silang, yung Step Up to the Streets, di ba? Yun, di ba? Yung sinundan after nung Step Up ni Channing Tatum, which is the movie na yun, parang ano sila, di ba? Parang, they're competing in the streets, di ba? Parang pinapakita lang kung sino sila, di ba? Parang, dahil, ang dating sa kanila, parang, paano sabihin to? Parang hindi sila sobrang accepted sa, like, mainstream, parang underground, yung dating, tapos sinusulong nila yon, no? Parang gano'n, they're making their own statement. Sa the streets nga is gumagawa sila ng mga mob show, like surprise mob show, 'di ba, sa train. Parang gano'n yung dating nito, no? Pero para dito naman is parang pinapakilala nila yung sila as a Sonara, no? Na parang, hey, andito na kami. Parang, you know, this mob show, like, let's go, parang ganyan. So parang gano'n yung dating, no? Angas eh, no? Damn. Nice music video. God damn. Gaganda. Oh, sorry. Umulit. Ang gaganda ng mga shot, no? Quality, man. Quality. Alright, again, that's Sonara Tabi. I really love the concept, no? Gusto ko yung concept kasi bagay na bagay siya, parang rebel type na team yung music video na parang you are, you know, you want to make a statement for something, no, parang gano'n. At the same time, pinapakilala nila yung sarili nila kasi bago pa lang sila, 'di ba? So kinakampanya nila yung sarili nila outside the streets, 'di ba? Tapos parang ganun yung dating, street style, urban street style yung dating. Ang lupit, no? I really love the concept. Again, hindi naman, because it's their first music video, no? So we don't have to have like a deeper lore. So most probably, maraming, I mean, sana wala, no? Pero I feel like maraming tao mag-iisip na, oh, baka merong something behind this. But I really love the idea na parang this is just a standalone music video because this is their first music video, right? Like, they just wanna, parang ipakilala yung sarili nila. Like, let's say, go up of one of the earliest music video of SB19. Maybe not the first, but the earliest music video of SB19, which is that music video is a standalone music video. Right? It doesn't actually have like you don't have to follow like a lore or something like that. It's just them introducing themselves. Parang ganun to, no? But this time, I parang ang lupit lang kasi parang yung sa SB19 parang, hey, we're here, like, we are a hardworking, talented guys. Now we're trying to show you our talent. Here we are, we know how to dance, like we are synchronized, we know how to sing, like, parang ang dating kasi nung I don't know, maybe it's because of show BT, pero masyadong napaka boy band, boy group ish yung dating nung unang mga music video ng SB19 eh, 'di ba? Parang like sobrang andun yung concept ng papogi, 'di ba? Yung that the song is good, but at the same time the music video is parang pogi tayo, ganyan, no? But in here, seems like again it's 1Z, so maybe 1Z give Sonara like the freedom to like maybe give their take or yung concept na gusto nila mangyari kasi in here napaka-risky din to, no, for a girl group na parang magsisimula ka na ang first music video mo is ganito ka fierce, 'di ba? Nagganto ka kasi bago pa lang kayo eh, 'di ba? Bago pa lang kayo, parang ayaw niyo magbigay ng parang parang gano'n na parang idea para sa ibang tao, sa mga casuals, 'di ba? Kaya ang pinaka bagay na gawin is maging neutral, na parang hey, just to feel good, we are a girl group, right? Pretty, But in here, they didn't do that, no? I really appreciate that. Ginawa nila yung sarili lang no? Yung parang kung ano yung gusto lang ipakita yung feel nung tema ng music video. Di sila parang para lang magustuhan siya ng lahat ng tao, no? Na magiging neutral sila or yung parang usual na iniisip ng mga tao to a girl group, which is I really love that. And I feel like kung yung SB19 they have like a freedom sa mga ganung bagay sa earlier career nila, most probably mas marami tayong malulupit na napanood umpisa pa lang, man, na I feel like mas na-improve pa yung mga music video nila before. But I really love this, man. I really love the music video. I yap too much there, but I just want to say the music video, great, man, great. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Well, we didn't actually like dive into the lyrics anymore because we already did that. If you guys want to watch our like I don't know, lyric breakdown, you can say. When we reacted to the official audio, you can go to my videos. But yeah, basically in here we just reacted to the music video. And yeah, that's the reaction for today. Hope you guys have a great day and happy weekend. Stay safe. Peace.